Okay, let's try to solve this question bits operation. So let's read this problem statement first. So you have number n and q queries. 1x means change n into n or x. Okay, what does it mean or? I'll tell you. 2x means is you change n and x. Okay, and x. And 3x means n and jar x. And 4 is negation of n. Okay, it's not n, which is called negation of n. So you have two queries. We have queries. So what does it mean for you? Let's try to understand with the problem, with the test case. Okay. So we have a 1, 2, 3, 4. We have a queue. We have a 4 queries and n equal to 5. Let's suppose n equal to 5. And let's try to understand the binary statement. So 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. This is equal to 5. Okay. So in the first operation, we have to do the OR operator. Okay. That is the OR operator, which is, so when you do 5 or 2, so what does it happen? So in 2, we know that this will happen. Okay. So in OR operator, 1 operator 0 will become 1. 0 operator bit, your this 1 and 0 is bit. 0 or become 1. Then 1 and 1 become 1. Only 0 or 0 become 0. Okay, so everything will work. So here 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 0, 1, 1 or 0, 1, and so this is the answer of 7. Okay, so 5 or 2 becomes 7. Okay, so now n will become 7. Okay, now you understand how OR works. Let's try to understand the end part. So 1 and, okay, so 1 and 1 equal to 1, 1 and 0 equal to 0, 0 and 1 equal to 0, and 0 and 0 equal to 0. This is the AND statement work. So we have n equal to 7 after the first operation. We have 7 and 1. So in 7 we know all are ones, and this is equal all are for 1 this one. So 1 and 1 1 give, and the all are 0. So this will return our 1. So n equal to 1 after second query. Third query is we have a jar. In jar we know 1 jar 1, it will give 0. 1 jar 0, it will give the 1. 0 jar 1, it will give the 1. And 0 jar 0, will give the 0. That is the thing. So n equal to 1 right now. So n equal to 1, and we have to do jar with 1. So 1 jar 1, definitely it will give the 0. So okay, it will print the 0. In 4 queries, okay, in 4 queries, we have to do negation of 0. What does it mean, negation of 0? Okay, so let's try to understand what does it mean. Let's suppose we have a 32 bit. We have 32 bit. In 0, we have all our zeros. Okay, we have all zeros. We have all zeros. Okay. So when you do negation, all are become ones. All are become ones. All are become ones. Okay. So the first bit, the 30 or 30 first bit, if it is, because it is a sign bit, okay, because it is an integer, it will check if this is 1, you have to take as a number, you have to take as a number as a negative. You have to take as a number as negative. Let's try to give the easier examples you can understand. Okay, let's suppose we have a 3 bits. We have a 3 bits 0 0 0. Okay, right now. And this is the, if this is 0, then then understand this part as a positive number. If this is 1, the first number, the first MSB. If it is 1, then it is a negative number. So when you do negation, you shift the 0 bit to 1, 1 to 0. So 0 become 1, 0 become 1, 0 become 1. So this is the first one. This is the first MSB is 1. That means this is a negative number. So how to this binary, how to change this binary number into integer? So this is 2 raised to 0. This is 2 raised to 1. This is 2 raised to square. Okay. So the first one is negative number. You have to write minus 2 square, then plus 2 raised to 1 and then plus 2 raised to 2. Because it is a sign bit. Okay. If it is 1, then you have to represent it as a negative. So minus 4 plus 2 plus 1. So minus 4 plus 3 equal to minus. Okay. So let's try to understand if I have number 4 bit. Okay. Let's suppose. And the number is 101. Okay. And 0. And we have to do negation because this is the MSB bit, the maximum significant bit. And if it is 0, then definitely it is a positive number. And if it is 1, then you have to take as a negative number. So after negation, what will happen? It will become 0, it will become 1, it will become 0, it will become. So this is the part. So this is 0 bit, this is 1 bit, this is 2 bit, this is 3 bit. So this is minus 2 raised to 3 plus 2 raised to 1. So here you see that minus 8 plus 2 because so minus 6. So that would be the minus 6 negation of this number, and this is a 5 number. Okay, this is a 5 number. So you can check using 2s complement 2. Okay, how do I check 2s complement? Just write the 5. Okay, just change the shift. It will become 1 0 1 0. Okay, and then add this one number. When we add number, this is 2s complement. This is 1 1 plus 1 0, then 1 and then 1. If you add this number, it will become minus 1. So this is the, if you do negation, you definitely minus 8 plus 2 minus 6. Okay. So now you understand that the first bit is representing a, if you understand 2s complement, it will become very easy to understand how it is calculated. Okay. So this is the concept, and let's try to understand this part using implementation in the code. The first is MSB representing. If it is a sign bit or if it is 1, then it is a sign bit. We have to take as a negative number. Okay. So let's try to understand again. Let's suppose we have LLN equal to 5. Okay. And we are printing C out, and we are printing this is C out negations. And what will be output? Because we will check is it 0 1 0 1, and we will negation is become 1 0 1 0, and minus 2 ka cube plus 2. So it will give the 6 answer, minus 6. Okay. So let's check what will get it. Okay. If n equal to 5. So you are getting minus 6. So you are getting correct output. So now you understand if n equal to 7, let's suppose, and 0 1 1. So if I do negation 1 0 0 0, okay. So definitely his answer is minus 2 raised to 3. Answer is minus 8. Okay. So answer is minus 8. Let's check it out. So you can do the similar thing with 32 bit. The answer is minus 8. This is how negative number works. So now you understood how negation works. So let's try to LLQ n in Q n, and while Q minus minus we have query. So LL x in x if x equal 1, else if x equal 2, else if x equal 3, else. So in that we have to do n C out n or x uh, seen a. Okay. So n or a and then, and you have to do update n or a. Okay. You have to do to seen LLA. You have to take LLA. The similar thing will put it. So LLA seen a, and you have to do and C out and a. LM, and you have to update N and equity and LLA team in and C out and job A, and you have to do update with and job A and C out negation of A. Okay, so negation of N, and you have to update is negation of N. Okay, this is the thing that you have to update every time. Okay, so let's see. We are getting error out. Let's try to submit it. It is running on test 3 right now. Let's just wait to verdict be accepted. So our code be accepted. Okay. So now you understand how it works. Okay. If you still a doubt, you can just ask query and ask senior. We'll try to solve your problem. Okay. Let's mark it.